a daily update today here on Link, a bit of Chainlink. As you can see, we do have all-time highs coming through around $51. Ever so slowly getting there. We're at a key resistance point, at a key lower high there. So we could actually potentially expect a pretty big pullback coming through from this zone, guys. If we are going to pull back there, price prediction here, we do have a nice trend line to the lower side here, around $32. But we are in a rising wedge pattern from there, so it's definitely something to be looking out for there for the future. We'll get to that on the shorter term time frames. In terms of measure moves now, for a breakout scenario of this symmetrical triangle, this bullish pennant chart pattern, which we're currently a part of there, we're probably looking at price target here of around $38.41 there, guys. And to be honest, if you are going to clear this horizontal, if you guys aren't in this trade yet, that's absolutely fine. There is still potential entry points coming through there. You're just going to have to jump down to the shorter term time frames to get those really tight stop losses going on there. But yeah, still looking for around an 8.72% gain there. If you are going to see the completion of the measure move to the upside there, definitely something to be looking for there. And if you did get into it at the start of this breakout, you're going to be up around 28%. That's a really, really good stuff in terms of a nice swing position there, guys. Really money, cold hard cash. Now, jumping through to the shorter term time frames there, I want to talk about this rising parallel channel. As you can see here, we do have pretty heavy levels of support to the lower side here. Pretty heavy levels. So if we're going to be literally coming down here at any point, crashing down like we did see here in October, if we are going to see actually this play out, guys, we've obviously got heavy levels of support on the way down, but this is definitely going to be a bounce point. We've got the 200 EMA coming through as well. Bounce point's going to be around $30 there. So yeah, if we do actually crash down, $30 is definitely a bounce point to be looking out for. Definitely a bounce point to be looking out for. And worst case scenario, if we do lose that, guys, we're going to be coming down and bouncing off the all-time high downward sloping support line there. So it's really not the end of the world, and that's going to be around $28, $27. And to be honest, over the last few months or so, we actually have been progressing up in quite a nice uptrend coming through there. So really not too bad. But yeah, in terms of breakout scenario to the upside here, as well as taking into consideration that other measure move that we did see from the symmetrical triangle coming through on the daily coming through there, we're going to be looking at a nice big measure move to the top side here. Obviously, we're going to need to get over the volume weighted ATR band here, guys, because it's very, very crucial in terms of the level of resistance, as you can see here. Very, very crucial stuff. Very crucial. If we can get above that, we could actually be looking at a lovely, nice long position coming through of another 13.89% gain there. We know the score, guys. Staggering take profits all the way up. We're not just going to be blindly going for this 13.89%. We're going to be staggering take profits all the way up, gridding the take profits, planning for any sort of reversal pattern coming through there. That's what I would say to the upside if Link is going to have the continuation there. But to be honest with you, we are due a pullback, guys. We've been pumping. We've been literally pumping like crazy. We've been pulling back quite often, right? So I would actually expect maybe we come up a bit more here and then we pull back down to the volume weighted ATR band, and then this could be a lovely entry point coming through there. But to be honest, you could definitely get a better entry here if when we do pull back, if the pullback is going to be aggressive here, maybe Bitcoin pulls back as well. We're actually seeing it pull back now, actually. But yeah, if Bitcoin pulls back as well, we're probably likely to see Link actually have a bit of a crash down again, maybe coming down to this trend line. I think that's the measure move, actually. maybe coming down to one of these major moving averages here and bouncing off one of them. But yeah, there's definitely going to be another entry point coming through there. So yeah, just rest assured, we are due a pullback. Yeah, we're due a pullback. So yeah, that's going to be a daily update today on Link.